A lot of you guys, a lot of the people who are caught up in this trap doesn't have clarity. They don't know what they want, what they want to do, and they don't even know who they are. If this is you, you need clarity right now. So what does this mean? So if you don't have clarity, it's the same as saying that you are in a terminal full of vehicles with different destinations. At ikaw mismo, hindi mo alam kung saan ka sasakay kasi hindi mo rin alam kung saan ka papunta. So even if you are in a great vehicle now, you have a good career, you have an amazing business, there's a lot of opportunities in front of you, pero hindi mo ginagrab, hindi mo kinukuha yung opportunity kasi nga hindi malinaw sa'yo ano ba talagang gusto mo. Which means that you will only move towards the right direction if you have a destination. So malalaman mo lang yung direction mo kapag may destination ka.